Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS borders. And right now we'll be discussing about how to use CSS border shorthand property for right border. Back to our document right here. We're having this in our previous tutorial where we discussed about the CSS shorthand property for bottom border. As you can see, our color. Now let's change all this. Let's change the color. Let's change all this. Let's comment out this and have this border shorthand property of right. We need our right border to have something. Let's give it 32. This one solid red. Now let's reload our document. Can you see our h1 element right here is having this border by the right side right here. So and we can switch this. We can give our fit set element inset. Let's reload our fit set element. Now can you see our fit set element is having this right border and it's looking nice, right? And also again, we can use this in our body element also. Let's reload our document. Can you see our body element is having this kind of border? And you can even use any type of border you want. Also, let's use border reach. Let's use reach. Can you see? It's looking nice, right? So this is all I have to show you guys for now. Please practice it because practice makes perfect. And what akorede ayofe is meaning once again. I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Have a great